16 million women in India have problem of urine leak, and that is sometimes related to cough and sneeze. They leak little amount of urine, which is stress incontinence. More frequent problem is wherein as the age advances, the urinary bladder becomes from a rubber band, it becomes firm. So the person feels more frequent desire to pass urine, which is known as frequency. Then they have certain amount of urgency, they cannot wait, and if it goes more severe, then it is urge incontinence. Urge incontinence, I think if you yourself see yourself or many other women around, whichever place they go, they are looking out for the toilet because they really cannot wait. At night sometimes they get up 12 times, and also sometimes they can't reach to the bathroom. This problem is equal, 88 million. And good part about this is that if you have blood pressure, diabetes or weight which is very high, you can correct those things, but more important part is urge incontinence, frequency and urgency can be treated by medical tablets. By these tablets, if a proper urogynecologist gives an advice, you can start these tablets. It will give you relief within 20 days. Your symptoms will come down. With improving health and advancing age of female, which happens today, with improving health, you are likely to live till 80 years, and you will have higher and higher chances of frequency and urge incontinence, but this can be corrected by tablets. Once in 20 days you get an idea how much relief you have with minor side effects which are not very important, but thereafter you can continue the tablets, and over a period of time it will stabilize. Stress incontinence can be corrected by a simple method, which is a small tape which can be fixed from below. But there is solution. Contact a gynecologist, urogynecologist, or a proper person who can guide. Don't just depend on a general practitioner or opinion wherein only simple antibiotics and something else is given. Also, don't ignore your diabetes, blood pressure or any other problem. Many times incontinence can take place after multiple delivery, close to menopause or forceps delivery. Many of these things can be prevented. The surgical treatment of urine leak was done earlier by opening the abdomen, then later by laparoscope, what is known as Birch procedure, and then after 2000 it was modified by putting a small 1 centimeter tape from below without any incision on the abdomen, and this tape is kept to support the mid urethra, and it's a very easy procedure. Normally it takes around 20 minutes to do the procedure. There is no need of cystoscopy or catheterization. Surgery can be done in the morning and the patient can be discharged in the evening. There is no stoppage of your normal work. Some sexual activity is restricted for a small period of time, and most of these tapes are effective for a longer duration of time. And if there is combination of leak on cough or sneeze plus frequency or urge, then the tablets are taken first and then this tape can be used. There are many experts in Foxy all over the country who know urogynecology and urinary incontinence problem, how to solve it. Don't sit at home and suffer in silence, because this is a problem which 16 million women have, and all of us in the Federation of Obstetrics and Gynec are eager to treat you.